Hi friends, welcome back to Weltech QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies. I am Vincent. In our last video, we have discussed about the tungsten electrodes identification systems. Today we are going to discuss about the filler metal required for the TIG welding, various types of filler metal for stainless steel and aluminum welding as well as carbon steel welding. So let us see. Okay friends, now let us move into filler rods for TIG welding. The filler rod is a metal alloy specifically designed to withstand the high heat of welds and to fuse the two pieces of a joint together as a composite. And the filler metal specifications as per AWS is almost the same as MIG welding electrode specifications. Okay, the first ER, let us take this one as ER70S X, X can be anything. So E for electrode, R for rod, and 70 for 70,000 psi is the minimum tensile strength, and S stands for solid, and this particular letter or digit explains about the chemistry, amount of dioxide like silicon, manganese, aluminum, zirconium and titanium. And this could be either 2, 3, 4, 6 or 7. So let us see the most widely used filler metal specifications and its uses, applications, etc. We'll start with TIG welding of carbon steel. The most commonly used filler rods for carbon steel is ER70S2, which produces an X-ray quality welds even on base metals with a little rust, dirt or scales. Mind you, for TIG welding, your welding surface, the welding area need to be very clean, generally speaking. But if you are using this particular the filler rod, even if a little bit of rust and dirt or scales can adjust in the welding, you can weld with ER70S2 as a filler metal, and also can be used for all position welding as the weld metal is not very fluid. So you can go even for a vertical or overhead positions. Next in line is ER70S3, but here your base metal need to be cleaned properly. Only then this can be used for general fabrication, widely used one, but your base metal should be very clean to get a proper welding. Next in line is E70S6. This is the most commonly used filler rod for carbon steel. ER70S6, high quality welds with higher manganese and silicon levels, improved mechanical properties, and very aesthetic bead appearance, very beautiful welding. Okay, now let us move into stainless steel filler rods used in TIG welding. Okay, we'll start with E308 and 308L. When you will get a 308L, the L means the L refers to extra low carbon in the rod, less than 0.08%, which helps the corrosion resistance. So ER308 and ER308L, one of the most common TIG filler rod for stainless steel welding. Best choice for welding A304 grade stainless steel, which is widely used in manufacturing. Also used in 2000 and 3000 series of stainless steel. Next in line is ER316 and ER316L. You see the L refers to extra low carbon in the rod, less than 0.08%, which helps corrosion resistance. Okay, so whenever you see the L, you should understand that. Okay, commonly used for pressure vessels, chemical equipment, and marine applications like offshore applications, ship building, etc. Best for high crack resistance welding, suitable for A240-316L, A773 grade stainless steel. The last one we will be discussing ER309, a perfect filler rod for welding of high alloy stainless steel like ASTM A240, 309S and A774. Now we'll discuss about the filler rods welding, TIG welding for aluminium. ER4043 is the AWS specification, a good general purpose filler rod for aluminium except for 2000 series and 7000 series. Please note that. Designed to weld heat treatable aluminum alloys in the 6000 series. Not suitable to weld aluminum manganese alloys. Please note. And this is one of the most commonly used filler rod for aluminum, that is ER5356. Most commonly used aluminum alloy filler rod for TIG welding. Good strength and compatibility with most aluminum alloys. Not suitable for welding with service temperature exceeding 150 degree Fahrenheit. Please note that. Now we'll discuss about the most commonly used filler rod for titanium. Here TI2, TI3 and TI5. Best for use with the same grade of titanium 2, 3 and 5. And here TI7 is a better corrosion resistant than the TI2, suitable to weld grade 2 or 16 titanium. Yeah, TI9 best for use with grade 9 titanium, and yeah, TI23 best for use with the grade 23 titanium. So that's all for the time being, friends. I will be coming back with how to weld stainless steel using TIG welding process, and also how to weld aluminum using TIG welding process. That will be my next uploads. So thanks for watching. See you in the next. Goodbye.